it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a real treat as we review one of my favorite companies with one of my favorite owners, Honest Ape Beard Company, the Sherlock. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. As I said before, we're definitely in for a treat as I talk about Honest Abe Beard Co., the Sherlock. Little spoiler alert, this is definitely going to be in my top 10 when I do my top 10 oils for the end of the year. Sorry, spoiled it. So, let's get a little background on it. Rob is the owner of Honest Ape. And when I say he is one of the greatest owners out there, one of them, I'm not lying. And if you talk to him or if you've had any kind of communication or interaction with him, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know, he's a great guy. He cares about his customers, the products, how the customers feel about the products, and he just cares about you personally, even if it has nothing to do with beards. If you've ever been in his live streams with Gary, man, those are always a treat. I'm always laughing. I'm always having a good time, and I enjoy it. I try to join him as much as I can, and if you're not, you're missing out. It's based out of Ohio, Honest Ape, and that's where you'll see some of the ingredients are actually from, which I really like. You know, he kept it home. So, the quality of these products are top notch. Let me just say that right off the bat. So, we got a 1 ounce oil, Sherlock. Look at the labeling on there. He went to all new labels. I really like that. They are oil proof. 1 ounce is $14.99. It's got a bit of light yellow tint. It's on the, in between the light to medium thickness on the oil, I would say. It's closer to the medium, and it goes in the beard nice. It's nice and smooth, goes in. It lasts pretty much all day. I'll get into that in a second. And it hydrates, and it keeps your beard nice and soft. So the ingredients we got here, great ingredients. Sweet almond oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oils, and the essential oil blend. You ready? Cherry, vanilla, tobacco, and OYO bourbon. And I'm pretty sure, but I'm not 100% sure, OYO bourbon is an Ohio type of liquor, which I think is great because there goes what I was saying, some Ohio ingredients in here. So, the scent, let me tell you about this. Whew. Just smelling that right now lets me know why this is in one of my top 10s. And then we're not even talking about the quality and how it feels in beard. Just from the scent, it made it into that top 10. And then when you put it in, it just keeps moving up. So, you get that cherry right off the bat. It's a nice strong cherry. I personally love cherry a lot. You get that warmth from the vanilla, especially right in the bottle. You can pick up hints of the tobacco and the OYO bourbon. But as you get it in your hands and then you put it in the beard, the tobacco and bourbon stand out more than when it does in the bottle. You got the cherry, the vanilla, the tobacco, and the bourbon. It blends real nicely. Nothing's too strong, in my opinion. Nothing's too strong where something's not sticking out. They all stick out. But throughout the day, the tobacco comes a little bit more than the vanilla, and you get the nice cherry tobacco with warmth from the bourbon, I feel like. And I really like that. I'll tell you right now, here's a little backstory. When I first got this, I first had it in the beard. My mother smelt it, and she got a little flashback. And she was excited because it reminded her of her grandfather when she was a young kid and how he used to smoke cherry tobacco pipes. That's absolutely amazing. And, you know, she got a real flashback, and, you know, she got happy and warm inside for a second because she was thinking about her grandfather when she was a young kid. And I really love scents and products or anything like that that take you back, whether it's you, whether it's your family, whether it's your friends. If you can have a flashback moment from just a scent, you know, that's absolutely tremendous. I really like that. Thumbs up for that. So let's get into this bomb. This right here is 1 ounce. He is no longer doing 1 ounce. Full disclosure, I got one of the last ones. I'm sure a lot of people did. 2 ounce bombs, $14.99. They are both $14.99. Great pricing. And then if you want to save some money, he has box sets. So I recommend that. No point in just getting one or the other. Get both. So, it's a yellow. You see the guitar pick in there. Let me tell you right now, this bomb is one of the smoothest, softest bombs out there, in my opinion. It's buttery soft and buttery smooth. But spoiler alert, there's no butter. And he is actually one of the first companies that I personally ever saw and personally ever known and I've ever used that has no butters, and it's absolutely great. You would think it's going to be a light hold, But in my opinion, it gave me a medium hold, and it did great. It kept the beard soft, and it kept the scent in, and it nourished it, and all that. It was great. I really like this balm. This is one of my favorite balms. There's another spoiler alert for the top 10. All right, so ingredients. This goes back to what I was saying earlier. Ohio beeswax, organic coconut, sweet almond, avocado, grapeseed, and the vitamin E oils, and then the essential oils, which are cherry, vanilla, tobacco, and OYO bourbon. That goes back to what I was saying, where he uses ingredients from his hometown. That's absolutely amazing. Ohio beeswax. That's great. I really enjoy that, and I understand it completely. If you can use something from your hometown, that's great. Obviously, Rob reps Ohio. Ain't nothing wrong with that, except I don't really like the Buckeyes. Ooh, just throwing that out there. And you guys are all probably saying, wait, he's a Hurricanes fan? I live in South Florida. Up north, there's not too many college football teams that are that good. So when I moved down here when I was younger, I started liking the Hurricanes. And that was when they weren't so good, to be honest with you. So yeah, it's all about the U. So, like I said, $14.99. 2 ounces, $14.99. This is a 1 ounce. You will get a $14.99 for a 2 ounce. Get the guitar pick, but I recommend getting a box set where you can save a little money for yourself. And let me tell you, shipping, Rob is fast at shipping. I think I ordered this on, what was it? I want to say I ordered it like on a Friday and I got it Monday. There's not even mail on Sunday. So shipping goes fast with Rob. So, I just had to get one more cent. So, $14.99, and this was Matt approved. So if you haven't already, like the video, comment down below, subscribe, share if you could. I'd really appreciate if you could share. Let's get them subscribers up. And just a little shout out here. Rob recently released the kids line of bath time fun. My personal favorite from there is the monkey duck. And if you haven't seen some of his stuff, go check it out, because if your kids are having fun, then you're having fun, right? That's what they tell me. I don't have kids. So definitely go check out some of that kids line that Rob has and get the monkey duck. Keep it for yourself. Give it to your kid. But he has great products for the kids as well. So remember, this was Matt approved, Sherlock. And I already did the spoiler. This is definitely, both products are going to be in my top 10 oil, my top 10 balm. Just put it out there. Honest Ape is one of my favorite companies. Rob is one of my favorite owners. So, like I said, Matt approved. Subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.